Nathan and Gab, welcome to On the Spot. I have 6 questions and you can answer them however you want. Okay? Number 1, why do you train?
I like it.
You like it?
And Mummy, Erin, she makes us do most of the work.
She makes you do all the work.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get all the results then too.
Yeah, and I like training because it's really, really, really fun. And yeah.
Fun?
Yeah.
Good. Why do you train at Illness for Life? This might be an obvious answer.
Because our mum.
Because your mum's a big boss.
Yeah, pretty much. And she makes us do it.
Very good. What type of training do you enjoy the most?
Mine is the bikes.
Like the bikes?
Yeah, I like the bikes. And also push-ups.
Push-ups? Yeah? So you do bikes and push-ups?
Yeah.
Very good. What have you learnt about yourself since being able to train at Elements for Life?
I'm stronger.
Stronger?
And also, I've been faster, stronger,
Faster?
and lots of that.
That's good. Does it help other stuff outside of the gym? What about
Yeah.
activities and things that you do? Do you think
Yeah.
you're doing better
in,
at them now?
In the cross country, in the cross country, last year I won first because of this
First?
gym.
Because of the gym or just because you're just awesome?
Nah, just
Because of the gym, fair enough. Well, I'll accept that. What would be your advice to someone looking to start?
I don't know.
You don't know?
What was the
You'd tell them to
question
start,
again?
wouldn't you? You'd say, just
Yeah.
start. You've got to start somewhere, yeah? Okay. Name 3 things that have supported your health and fitness.
Well,
Better nutrition.
better
Better nutrition, good. What else? More movement. More movement. What about mindfulness?
Yeah, definitely.
You know what that means? It means being aware of what you're doing, applying good practice to your daily routine.
Yeah.
Do you agree with those 3 things?
Yes, I am.
Very good. High five. Keep going.